Yeah.
Cities is just Nairobi.
Yes. Habari zenu? Issues here ni nini? Ndio pendi? No, hatupeni kazi hapa. I'm asking you questions ya hapa. Yenye badge ya PSV. Oh, okay. Hii ni wa badge wa PSV. Yes. Okay. Sawa. Salama sana. Maswali mingi ni inahusu nini?
Sasa sisi hapo tumeshukuru sana.
Yeah.
Sababu hata juzi nimefanya transfer ya gari.
Yeah.
Within one day.
Yeah.
Imetoka.
Yeah.
Sasa ile katero umeondoa na unafanya kazi mzuri.
Tunapambana.
Unapambana.
Asante sana. Sawa. I hope you will be served. Asanteni sana. Thank you. Salama sana.
Just one, eh?
Yeah.
If you are a Ugandan citizen,
Yes.
and then the whatever is too high to get a work permit because you need 10 million.
Okay.
It's not in your docket.
Yes.
So, but you've got a vehicle that you purchased in 2016, and you want to transfer it.
Yeah.
Now you cannot be able to citizen system because the e-citizen requires it requires your alien because your work permit requires 10 million bob.
Yeah.
And this is the normal hustler.
Yeah.
His little business and he goes.
It goes, yeah.
Okay.
So
right now I'm having that problem.
You're having that problem.
I'm representing and he wants to transfer the vehicle.
Yeah.
But
just
with your PIN, you are able to get the
KRA PIN.
The e-citizen.
Yes.
With your passport, you're able to get a KRA PIN. Those days,
Yes.
2016.
Yes.
Right now, it's not possible.
Why?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, if you are a foreigner.
If you're a foreigner,
you cannot.
You need an alien right now. So now, if you come here for forced transfer, I'm still going to have to go for. He wants to transfer the vehicle. Actually
a Kenyan. Okay. Yeah.
So
the car is in his.
It is in his name.
And the car is registered in Uganda.
No, it's registered here.
Okay. So he managed to register then, but now he can't even transfer.
Exactly.
Oh, I get it. He was locked in between a legal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The work permit expired.
Does he have a work permit?
He doesn't have a work permit. These are people who come here.
Yeah.
These are little things that they do.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And in between you get a good woman and you love her and you marry.
Yeah.
You get.
Yeah.
It's just the same thing anybody can do in another country.
Yours is a legal issue.
It's not even a legal issue.
Yeah.
Because the forced transfer should be able to do it.
Forced transfer.
Yeah.
By virtue of
him
being wife.
Not even the wife.
Yeah.
By virtue of him having gotten the first.
In any case,
document,
he has the first document.
He has got the first document, which is in his name. Now, how come now he cannot transfer it?
Okay, I'll find out from you. Let him first deal with the officer. Yeah. Then you let me know how it goes. Okay. Yeah, that's a unique one. That doesn't happen so often. Yeah. It's not like the many problems people have here.
Okay.
Yeah, she will tell me. She's in charge here.
Okay.
Yeah. Salama sana.
Mabarabara zimefanyaje? Kama huku kwetu Adhiriva ilikuwa. Kwenda Kinani.
Ongoing roads. Kidogo tunatafuta pesa. Kidogo tu.
Tutakuja.
Kidogo lazima tu balance mambo kidogo lakini tutafanya.
Sawa.
Asante sana. Haya. So how do we go up?
Go to the 8th.
I want to go to the MD's place.
So not the initially you said you